When you think of shepherd's pie, you probably picture rich, savory filling, creamy mashed potatoes, and those golden, crispy peaks on top. This version has all of that, but it's completely plant-based. Peel and chop about 2.5 pounds of potatoes. I love using a mix of Idaho and Gold for the best texture. The Idahos get light and fluffy, and the Golds add that natural, buttery creaminess. Add them to a large pot with salted water and 2 big cloves of garlic. Boil until fork tender, about 15 minutes. While they cook, gently warm your plant milk and vegan butter. Drain the potatoes and garlic, then mash until fluffy, or use a ricer for the creamiest potatoes. Slowly add the warm milk and butter mixture, then season with salt and pepper and set aside. Now for the filling. In a large oven-safe skillet or Dutch oven, heat olive oil and saute diced onion, garlic, carrots, and celery until softened and fragrant. Add mushrooms and chopped walnuts and let them cook down until everything is rich and slightly caramelized. Stir in tomato paste, thyme, rosemary, smoked paprika, and flour. Cook for 1 minute. Add lentils, broth, peas, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer for 6 to 8 minutes or until thickened. Spoon the mashed potatoes over the filling and spread them all the way to the edges. You can keep the top rustic with soft swoops and peaks, or take a fork and drag it across to create ridges. Those little lines are what crisp up and turn a beautiful golden color in the oven. Bake at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, broiling at the end for extra color. Let it rest briefly, then scoop and serve. It's hearty, satisfying, freezer-friendly, and the kind of comfort food everyone goes back for seconds. Visit Nuts and Twigs for all the details. Save this and follow for more.